MRH-90 helicopters to conduct the casevac and casualty evacuation.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, casualty evacuation is a critical element of combat operations, and helicopters are typically used to get wounded soldiers from the combat zone to immediate medical care within the golden hour. The golden hour is the time within which a soldier with a traumatic injury, attended to by medical personnel, has a much higher likelihood of survival. A number of aircraft will always be allocated to casualty evacuation during combat operations to both improve survival prospects of wounded soldiers and to ensure the remaining soldiers are not impeded from completing their mission by having to protective care for a casualty. The Taipan helicopter is ideal for casualty evacuation as it is fast, can operate in poor weather on the darkest of nights, and is sealed and climate controlled, thus enabling casualty stabilisation en route to the hospital. You can see the Tigers keeping a watchful eye as the casualty is loaded. When a helicopter is on the ground in a landing zone, it makes a lot of noise, and loading casualty is a priority. The Tigers will ensure that the ground troops and the Taipans are protected during this vulnerable time.